Welcome to this short presentation of Crowd1. The beautiful thing about Crowd1 is that you can have it with you on your mobile phone, working everywhere at any time with anyone.
Nice.
The company was founded in Sweden by the co-founder Jonas Werner, and the CEO of the company is Johan von Holstein. Both gentlemen are very serious and were already very successful business people in Sweden before Crowd1. The company has offices around the world with employees who are working for us. Crowd1 was pre-launched the 25th of January 2019 and launched the 1st of August of the same year. In March 2020, Crowd1 had 2.5 million members worldwide, just 13 months after the pre-launch. And therefore Crowd1 is now currently one of the fastest growing companies in the world. We are working in the market of online gambling and gaming, an industry that is around 3 times bigger than the music and movie industry combined. The gambling market is expected to grow to 504 billion euros by 2022, and the mobile gaming market is expected to grow to 152 billion euros in 2020. Crowd1 is not offering gambling and gaming, but instead they are making contracts with companies that do, so they can offer their gamblings and gamings through Crowd1's platforms. Afilgo with gambling and lottery, and Mixer with games for mobile devices. It is similar to Just Eat. They are not selling food, but they are using their platform to offer customers food from different restaurants and pizzerias. And every time a customer buys pizza through Just Eat receives a fee. And that is exactly the same with Crowd1. And we can earn owner rights in Afilgo and Mixer. Right now, Crowd1 has a gambling platform, Afilgo, where they have gambling partnerships with Codeer, Come On, Premier Bet, SBA, and soon LTAG and Epic One Lotto, where our members in specific countries can play and make bets. Every time someone is gambling or making a bet through Afilgo, Crowd1 gets a fee. 80% of that fee is going into Crowd1's compensation plan, and that is how we are making the money. In November 2020, Crowd1 will launch Mixer with different gaming partnerships that offers online gaming. We expect to have more than 15 million members by the end of this year, and with so many members, Crowd1 has far greater opportunities to make agreements with gaming providers worldwide through Afilgo and Mixer. Crowd1 also expects to open another 3 online platforms within the next 6 months. Because of that, Crowd1 has chosen to convert our owner rights to Crowd1 rewards, so we in the future can earn a part of the turnover in all of the platforms. And that gives us a unique opportunity to earn even more in residual income. There are 4 different memberships. All 4 memberships gives you a full online education and training program, and gives you the right to gamble or play games through Crowd1's platforms as long as you are living in a country where the games are offered. The price for the white membership is 99 euros and gives you owner rights for 100 euros in Afilgo and Mixer, 50% in each. The price for the black membership is 299 euros and gives you owner rights for 300 euros. Then we have the gold membership, and the price for this membership is 799 euros. And gives you owner rights for 1,000 euros. That means that this membership gives you 25% more in value in owner rights compared to the price of the membership. The highest membership is the titanium membership. The price of this membership is 2,499 euros and gives you owner rights for 3,500 euros. That means that this membership gives you 40% more in value in owner rights compared to the price of the membership. Until April 15th, 2020, Crowd1 is running a campaign that is very important to how you choose to start. If you start with a white membership, Crowd1 immediately upgrades it to a black membership at no additional cost to you and with all the benefits a black membership gives you. If you start with a black membership, it will be upgraded to a gold membership, and if you start with a gold membership, it will be upgraded to a titanium membership. If you start with a titanium membership, it will be upgraded to a Titanium Pro membership. As I told you before, all the owner rights will be converted to Crowd1 rewards the 15th of April this year, so you are also assured a part of the turnover in all of the future platforms. you can choose to be a passive member or an active member, where you can choose to invite people in your network to be a member of Crowd1. If you choose to be an active member, you can earn an income through Crowd1's compensation plan, as you are helping Crowd1 increase their turnover. You can also upgrade your membership if you want to. As you can see, all the memberships provide points which are used to calculate our bonus in the Crowd1 compensation plan. Let's look at the compensation plan. There are 5 different ways we can earn money. First, we have the start bonus. If you invite 4 new members of Crowd1 within your first 14 days, you will get a start bonus depending on their membership. If you have invited 4 people that have chosen a white membership, you will receive 125 euros. If all 4 of them have chosen a black membership, you will receive 375 euros in bonus. If they have chosen a gold membership, you will receive 1000 euros in bonus. If they have chosen a titanium membership, you will receive 3000 euros in bonus. If you have invited 4 people and they have chosen different memberships, then it is the lowest membership that determines your bonus. So if you have invited 3 gold memberships and 1 black membership, you will receive 375 euros in start bonus. Then we have the binary bonus. As I told you before, the 4 different memberships gives a certain number of points to the compensation plan, and you will receive 10% of the points when a new member joins Crowd1 or a member upgrades his or her membership to black, gold or titanium. The bonus earned is distributed with 10% in owner rights to Afilgo and 10% in owner rights to Mixter. The remaining 80% will be deposited into your Crowd1 account, which you can withdraw at any time. Crowd1 is using binary system that goes beyond other companies' binary systems. Therefore, you have a left team and a right team. You have to be binary qualified to earn binary bonus. That means that you have to invite a minimum of 2 people and put 1 on your left team and 1 on your right team. When you have done that, you are earning money immediately. Let me show you some examples. If you have invited 2 people on the white membership, then you will get paid 10% of 2 times 90 points, equal to 18 euros. We call that ratio 1 to 1, because the points on the left team and the right team are the same. The binary bonus is paid out immediately after the transaction has taken place. Since the points are now used to pay bonus, the left and right sides are reset. Let me show you another example. Let's say that you have 540 points in your left team, and you have a new member in your right team that has chosen a black membership that gives 270 points. In this case, you have twice as many points in your left team. Again, you put all the points together, it gives a total of 810 points, of which you get 10%, 81 euros. We call that ratio 2 to 1. Again, both sides are reset. In fact, you can earn binary bonus in ratio 3 to 1. Let me show you. Let's say that you have 3000 points in your left team, and someone in your right team invites a gold member. You now have more than 3 times the number of points in your left team. So the system uses a quarter. That means all 720 points in your right team and 3 quarters from your left team, a total of 2880 points, giving you a bonus of 288 euros. The used points are removed from the 2 teams, and since there are still points in your left team, they are saved until a new member is subscribed to your right team or a member chooses to upgrade. Because you can earn binary bonus all the way down in both the left and the right team, Crowd1 has to maximize it. Therefore, the maximum binary bonus you can earn per week is 20,000 euros, including the next bonus, the matching bonus. The third bonus is the so-called matching bonus. You can earn matching bonus 5 levels down. When you have invited 4 white members and you are a white member yourself, you will start earning matching bonus. You will get 10% of what your team members in your first level are earning. Your first level is the people you have invited into Crowd1 yourself. So if one of them earns, for example, 100 euros in binary bonus, you will earn 10 euros. And you can earn matching bonus 5 levels down, depending on your own membership and the number of personal invited members. Then we have the streamlined bonus. There are 20 levels in the streamlined bonus that are partly dependent on your membership and partly on the number of members who have joined Crowd1 globally after you have joined. not just in your team but throughout Crowd1. The streamlined bonus is paid out in owner rights with 50% in Affilgo and 50% in Mixter. As I have mentioned before, these owner rights will be converted into Crowd1 rewards the 15th of April this year. As soon as you are registered as a member, and 250 members are registered globally after you are entitled to receive owner rights at €2.50 per week, even if you have chosen just to be a passive member. Of course, greater demands are placed on the lower levels. As you can see, there must be between 4 million and 10 million members in the bottom 4 levels to have gone into Crowd1 globally after you. However, then you will receive between €1,500 and €2,250 every week in owner rights, and after the 15th of April is Crowd1 rewards. It maybe sounds like too much, but when you look at the fact that from mid-December 2019 and in the following 3 months, 1.5 million members joined Crowd1, it is reasonably realistic to expect that we are more than 10 million members by the end of this year. The fifth way to make money is long-term residual income. A large part of the revenue generated in Affilgo and the other platforms that come in the future and which go down in Crowd1 will be distributed with equal amounts in 18 different pools. The different titles associated with each pool are directly dependent on your earnings in the binary bonus, so the more you and your teams are doing and the more you earn in binary bonus, the higher pool you can join. Let's imagine that €1.8 million are allocated to these pools a month with €100,000 in each. Of course, there will be significantly more members in the first pools to share the €100,000 in the pool than there will be in the pools higher up. For example, if you have obtained the title Free Store Coordinator and have access to Pool 6, you will also get paid from Pool 1 to 5. Let's look at when the individual bonuses are paid out. The start bonus is of course paid out after your first 14 days have passed. The binary bonus and the matching bonus are paid out immediately after a member has been registered or a member has upgraded their membership. The streamlined bonus is settled weekly and the long-term residual income is paid quarterly. However, this will change within the next few months so that it will be paid out monthly. It is important to mention that Crowd1 is very different from the other network marketing companies. You can never lose your membership level. You can never lose your earned level of streamlined bonus as it depends on the number of members who join Crowd1 globally after you. And you can never lose your earned level of the long-term residual income as it is dependent on your already earned binary bonus. It is also important to mention that there are no monthly or annual fees to be paid. You pay for your membership when you start, and then it is up to you to decide if you later on want to upgrade your membership. Also, there are no demands of weekly or monthly qualifications. How do you get started? You sign up and register on Crowd1's website with reference to the username of the person who invited you. Choose a membership and be aware that until April 15th, the selected membership will be automatically upgraded to the next level at no additional cost to you. Download Crowd1 app. Talk to the people you know and show them this video presentation. If they choose to become a member, then help them register, choose a membership, download the app, talk to the people they know and show them this video presentation. As you can see, it is a very simple concept to work with a unique compensation plan that is understandable and which over time can bring a really good residual income the more online platforms Crowd1 adds to our concept. You are on top of the unique situation that you can join from the start. Crowd1 is just over a year old, but has already shown what a powerful concept this is with approximately 3 million members worldwide. If you see the idea and choose to join Crowd1, I would like to welcome you to our team. Talk to the person who has shown you this video so they can show you how to get registered and get off to a good start.